Japan vibes ba ang hanap mo while having coffee? May alam kaming spot sa Quezon City para dyan. Ang Coffee Dojo at ang My Ilonggo Girl star na si Andrea del Rosario ang makakasama natin sa Japanese coffee experience na ito.
Wow, yummy.
The reason why we had Coffee Dojo is because my friends and I really love coffee. The first time that we went to Japan, parang medyo na-inlove kami dun sa mga concept that they have sa mga coffee shop nila. So parang naisip namin na why don't we bring it to the Philippines so that yung mga coffee lover natin dito would experience yung na-experience namin during the time that we are sipping our coffee in Japan. So that's the reason why we have cherry blossom outside para din ma-experience nila yung parang they are sitting sa ilalim ng cherry blossom tree and then habang nagkakape sila. And as you can see sa background, merong parang view ng window na merong mga naglalakad. So yun yung gusto namin i-project dyan. Ayun nga, in totality, we wanted to elevate the coffee experience ng mga customer and at the same time, ma-experience nila na parang nasa Japan talaga sila.
Hello, food explorers! This is Miss Andrea del Rosario na gumaganap pong Margaret sa My Ilonggo Girl. Hindi niyo po na itatanong ay bago po kami nag-shoot ng My Ilonggo Girl ay nanggaling po kami sa Japan, my family and I. And doon po namin natagpuan ang, gosh, masasarap na kape and pastries. And today, I'm so happy because I found this place. It's called Coffee Dojo. O, di ba? See, guys, they have this. Look!
So mochi donut, inspired din siya from Japan. So if we're going to compare yung the donut that we have here in the Philippines dun sa mochi donut, totally different yung experience because yung mochi donut, chewy siya and hindi siya kagaya nung regular na donut natin dito sa Pinas.
Wow, thank you, miss. All right, what's this?
This is Tokyo Banana, inspired by Tokyo Banana bread from Japan. So, combination po siya ng banana milk and then espresso with taste of caramel sauce pa.
Wow, see? Narinig yan, banana, coffee, caramel. Oh, three things that I really love so much. All in one drink. Wow, sarap naman nun. Yummy! I can taste the banana, the caramel. Ay, gusto ko ito. Matcha mochi. O, di ba? Guys, I like matcha. As a matter of fact, nagdala ako ng maraming matcha from Japan nung bumalik kami. So, another favorite. It's so good. There's something about the texture na parang, I love the softness compared to other donuts na parang marshmallow donut because it's really that soft. It's really good.
So, next drink po natin is Fuji
Yes.
Latte. Bali latte po siya, milk and espresso with Fuji cream on top. For Fuji cream, it's our own version of sea salt cream. So, may hint siya ng salt and sweet.
Hindi ba kamukha siya ng Mount Fuji? O, di ba, na puro snow? Yan. Yan po ay sea salt. I'm sure maraming may gusto nito. Wow, yummy. Guys, I wish I can share this to you. It's so good.
Here po yung next natin, which is butterbeer. Inspired naman po siya for Harry Potter drink po.
Oh.
So, caramel flavor po siya na may Fuji cream on top po ulit.
And it's
Pero
a...
non-alcoholic.
Oh, I was gonna say, because guys, I don't drink. Oh, see, the best. Guys, sana ma-explain ko. Basta masarap eh. So, para siyang may soft drinks. Parang float. And look at the froth. Paano nila ginagawa yun?
So, this is matcha float po. So, matcha soda with ice cream on top. And then for the pastry is teriyaki with dulce de leche filling.
So, it's matcha float. Because you can taste the soft drinks and the matcha and the ice cream. Sarap. Now we try this. Let's see. Wow, look at that, guys. Sa loob. Eee. Yum! Sira diet. Crunchy, bagong luto, and it's really, really good inside. It has that filling na mainit pa sa loob, which makes it really good.
His our ramen, pork-based, Fukuoka-style ramen. So, ang flavor niya is tonkatsu ramen po with the soy sauce.
Parang you're eating a fine dining noodles in a plastic cup like this, but it tastes like fine dining food. Sarap, very good. Asa na ba si Sir Gov? Kailangan mag-share kami nito. Sir Gov, where are you? Ha? Please do watch My Ilonggo Girl, GMA 7, 9:35 p.m. Mondays to Thursdays. Na-experience ko ulit ang Japan sa food. I was really surprised. Because, yun nga, katulad ng sabi ko, it's hard to replicate it, di ba? And I think on point si Coffee Dojo.